Hi, I'm Daniela, and I have a quick tip for you that might be helpful when you're doing watercolor painting. So I like to use these silicone makeup brush cleaners when I clean my watercolor brushes, and I'll show you how. So there are these silicone brush cleaners that are used primarily for makeup brushes, but you can use them for watercolor brushes as well. Because they're silicone, nothing absorbs. They're not a sponge, they're not hard to clean, and they're not messy. All I do is I take one, and it really doesn't matter what size. They come in all different shapes and sizes, some with little pockets. The intention is to hold your hand so you can clean your brush on it. But I like to just drop it into my water jug. And because they come in so many sizes, I have lots of jugs and I can just slip them right inside. And then I use the friction of the silicone to clean my brush. It helps as opposed to the smoothness of some of my water jugs that are just empty bowls or cups. Now a lot of times you can get them and they have these little suction cups on the back so they can really stick to the base of your water dish, and that's great. You can also find these little small ones that aren't designed for brush cleaners but actually for skin. So they're super gentle. So if you have really delicate brushes, this very gentle piece is really nice. I hope you find this tip helpful.